Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officers at 24/7. My name is Amanjyot, and today here we are to discuss the another MCQ series on principles and practices of banking. As you know, we have started a particular series regarding your PPB subject, in which we are discussing MCQs and having a conceptual understanding of those MCQs. So this is our next class regarding that particular series. So first of all, very good morning to all of you, and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officers at 24/7. Let me know, am I audible to all of you? And everything is okay? Are we good to go? Now, before coming to the MCQ, before coming to the first question, first of all, those candidates who are new to the Officers at 24/7 channel, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Okay, all the sessions which are regarding your JAIIB, CAIIB, bank promotion exam, everything will be available here on Officers at 24/7. And also, if you have not downloaded the 24/7 application yet, then do download the application. By downloading the application, what benefits you will get here, you will find that all the information regarding your paid batches will be there. Okay, all the quizzes will be there, all quiz regarding the banking awareness will be there, which will definitely going to help you to build a basic banking awareness, to know basic banking terminologies. Okay, so this is why you should download this particular application. Now let's move to the first question. Today's session's first question is this. Question is asking, a dash is a type of transferable financial instrument which is traded at a local stock exchange. Okay, read carefully. Which is traded at a local stock exchange of a country, but represents a security usually in the form of equity. Equity means we are talking about shares. Okay, it is represented in the form of equity, that is means shares give in the form of shares, it is representing its value, which is used by a foreign publicly listed company. Okay, which is used by a foreign publicly listed company. So question is asking that what is this? A dash is a type of, is it an American depository receipt? Is it a depository receipt? Is it a global depository receipt or a foreign convertible bonds? Good morning, Natrajan. Now let me know which of the following will be correct. So a dash is a type of transferable financial instrument. It is a transferable financial instrument. Next, which is traded at a local stock exchange. You are trading it at a local stock exchange. Remember, do make sure you are focusing on the keywords. We are talking about local stock exchange of a country. Okay, but represents a security in the form of equity. It is showing the security in the form of equity or shares, which is issued by a foreign publicly listed company. So it's a foreign publicly listed company who is issuing shares in local stock exchange, and what that particular financial instrument will be known as. Is it American depository receipt? Is it a depository receipt? Is it a global depository receipt? Is it a foreign convertible bond? If you do not know the answer of the question, then just type down here that we do not know, so that we will discuss the question and move forward. Let me know. Rupa is saying A, that is American depository receipt. Okay, what about rest? Now those candidates who are live in the session, do share the session first of all with your colleagues who are preparing for the JAIIB exam on different social media platform wherever you are linked to them, and also like the session once. Rajesh is saying GDR, Deepak is saying A, that is American depository receipt. Okay, what about rest? Okay, so right answer is not ADR or GDR, because we have not defined here that we are talking about America or global market. We have just said here that it is the security of a company which is represented at a local stock exchange, but the security of company which is represented in a local stock exchange, it belongs to the foreign publicly listed company. Let's say, for example, India. Any Indian company is issuing shares in any country. It can be America, it can be Europe, it can be Japan, it can be China, etc. So in foreign country, let's say, for example, in foreign country. So for that particular foreign country, the stock exchange will be local. where the securities of Indian company, where the equity of Indian company, or we can say the security of Indian company is represented, it's issued. Okay, and but the local stock exchange will be there, but the company will be Indian company which is issuing its shares in foreign country. It means it is a publicly listed company. It is a foreign publicly listed company. So simply we can say it is the depository receipt. What is depository receipt? Depository receipt simply is a transferable financial instrument which is traded at a local stock exchange. Okay, now of a country, but represents a security, or we can say in the form of equity. It is representing Indian company's security, Indian company's equity in the foreign market. Okay, and the company will be known as foreign publicly limited company, listed company, because that company belongs to India. That's why right answer will be B. Okay, when we can say that Indian company is issuing its shares in American market, then it will be known as ADR. Okay, and when we say that Indian company issuing its security in global market except America, then it will be known as GDR. So you can't define here that it is a ADR or GDR. You can't say it is American or it is global depository receipt, because we have not given the name of the country. We have not given, we have not specified that where the Indian company or the foreign publicly listed company is issuing its securities. We just have said it is issued in the foreign country. It is issued in the foreign nations. Okay, so right answer will be B. Correct. Now next. The lending and borrowing of funds between banks for 15 days to 1 year is called. So we are doing lending and borrowing funds between whom? Banks. So when banks are giving loan to each other for the period of 15 days to 364 days for 1 year, then which of the following term it will be known as? Is it reserve money? Is it term money? Is it notice money? Is it call money? What will be the answer of the second question? Let me know. So you just have to know the duration of these all. Rajan is saying C, Deepak is saying C, Ishwad is saying B. Okay, what about rest? So all these are the instruments of money market. And when we talk about money market is regulated by Reserve Bank of India, that is the central bank of our country. So money market is a short-term market where short-term financial assets are used to raise money to fulfill the need of the money, which are close substitute of money. It means you can easily convert those securities, you can easily convert those assets into money. That's why we are saying they are close substitute of money. So maximum are going with B option, that is term money. Very good, correct. When it comes to the term money, the duration will be 15 to 364 days. Okay, when it comes to notice money, the duration will be up to 14 days, or we can simply write here 2 to 14 days. And when it comes to the call money, we have overnight duration, or it can be also known as 1 day duration. So this is the duration of these three instruments of money market. So call money, notice money and term money, all these three are the instrument of money market. Money market is regulated by Reserve Bank of India. Money market is the market where short-term financial assets are used to raise funds to fulfill the needs of funds, which are close substitute of money. What does it mean to close substitute of money? It means you can easily convert that instrument, that asset into money. That is the close substitute money. Okay, so it can be easily converted into liquidity. It can be easily converted into money. So the right answer will be B. Achha, apart from these three, what are the different money market instrument? Let me know. Apart from these three, what are the different money market instrument? Call money, notice money, term money are the part of money market instrument. Apart from these, how many other instruments are there? And also those candidates who are live in the session, do like the session once. Let me know. What are the other money market instrument? Money market is the part of your module A, okay, in which we have to study the financial market, or we can say money market is a part of your financial system. Okay. What are the other instruments? Let me know. If you don't know the answer, just write in the comment section that don't know, so that we will discuss the question and we will move forward. Treasury bill is part, very good. MSF is a part of monetary policy in which RBI is giving loan to commercial bank for overnight duration. Okay. Certificate of deposit is right, correct. What other instruments are there? Commercial papers are there, very good. Okay, so we have call money, notice money, term money. Apart from that, we have commercial paper, certificate of deposit, we have T-bills, that is known as treasury bills. Apart from treasury bills, what we have cash management bills. We have CBLO. What does CBLO stands for? Collateralized borrowing and lending obligation. Now, do remember, abbreviations are also asked in the exam. They can ask any abbreviation. Let's say they can ask, what does CBLO stands for, or what L stands in CBLO. Okay, this type of questions can be asked. So, do make sure that all the financial and all the banking awareness quiz abbreviations are there. So, complete all the abbreviation. Now, CMB stands for cash management bill. Okay, T-bills stands for treasury bill. So, these are the money market instrument. Now next, the term white label ATM relates to which of the following? So we are talking about here ATM, and what type of ATM? White label ATM. So you have to answer what white label ATM is related to. First is saying ATMs installed by banks outside their branches. Second is saying ATMs installed by bank in white buildings. Third is saying ATM installed by non-bank entities. Fourth is saying ATM jointly installed by banks and non-bank entities. Now, which of the following is right about white label ATMs? List for abbreviation, what you can do, I have shared the list of abbreviation on Telegram channel. You can search by my name, and there you have to go with, in that particular Telegram channel, you have to go with the files, and there you will find the PDF of the banking abbreviations. See, everyone is going with the C option. Very good. So when we talk about the ATM is automated teller machine, simply, which is providing us the certain services of banking sector. So whenever a non-banking entities provide ATM, that is known as white label ATM, and the first white label ATM of our country was provided by Tata. That is known as IndiCash ATM. Very common to see in the country. Okay? So that is what, when ATMs are installed by non-bank entities or NBFCs, those that ATMs will be known as your white label ATM. Okay, there are 10 to 11 types of ATM. First is white label ATM, then we have brown label, pink label, green label, yellow label, orange label. We have on-site ATM, off-site ATM, we have work-site ATM. Apart from that, we have mobile ATM, micro ATM. So these are the certain types of ATMs which we have to cover. Okay, these are the certain basic terminologies. Now, the FATF was established too. Now also tell the full form of FATF. What is the full form of FATF? And then let me know what was the reason behind establishing FATF. So there are two questions. First, you have to tell that what is the full form of FATF. Then you have to tell what was the purpose of introducing the FATF. It is somehow related to your AML, CFT. FATF is related to your AML, CFT. Now you should know what is the full form of AML and CFT. In the last class of paid batch, we have discussed also. Now this is in the syllabus of yours PPB subject. AML norms, CFT norms, apart from that, KYC norms are the part of your syllabus of principles and practices of banking. So we have discussed what is this. Financial Action Task Force, very good. The full form of FATF is Financial Action Task Force. It is international organization which focus to control, or we can say which focus to maintain or control money laundering at the international level, and also the terrorism funding. Okay, it controls terrorism funding and money laundering at international level. If any country is performing these two activities, then the warning will be given by FATF, and FATF can impose a certain restriction on that particular country by defining the name of the country in a grey list or a black list. When any country comes under the grey list of FATF, that is the warning situation that FATF has given you the warning, you are performing terrorism funding or you are doing money laundering, control it, otherwise you will be banned from the international financial system. And when the country will be listed in the blacklist of FATF, that country will be banned from the financial international market or the international financial system. Okay, so what is the purpose of establishing this FATF? Achha, do mention the question number. Whenever you are answering a certain question, do mention the question number with it. So I can see maximum are going with D, that is true, all of these. So first is regularly conduct on-site manual evaluation reports, correct? Ensure global action against money laundering and terrorist financing is pursued, okay? Then ensure that the financial system is not used for the criminal and terrorist purposes. So right answer will be your D, that all of the above is the reason because of which we have established FATF, that is Financial Action Task Force, okay? Now next is, what does it refers to here? Now you have to answer what does it refers to here. Now it means this statement. There is two statements, first and second, and what this it represents, you have to answer that. So the first statement is saying it is the process of ensuring access to financial services timely and adequate credit where needed by vulnerable groups such as weaker sections, low income groups at an affordable cost. Okay, this is first statement. Second statement is saying it helps mitigating the exploitation of vulnerable sections by the usury money lenders by providing easy access to the formal credit. So what does this it represents here? Is it a financial leveraging? Is it a financial exclusion? Is it a financial inclusion? Is it financial management? What will be the right answer for the fifth question? A, B, C or D? Rupa is saying financial inclusion. Okay, what about rest? Rajan is saying C. Rajesh is saying C. Natarajan is saying C. That is financial inclusion. Okay. So everyone I think is going with the financial inclusion, and that's a very simple concept to remember. So right answer will be financial inclusion. What is financial inclusion? Financial inclusion simply is a process to link each and every person with the financial product and services at an affordable cost. Okay, that is the financial inclusion, and that's what we are talking about here. And why we have introduced financial inclusion? Because there were some money lenders who were exploiting people, who were exploiting the persons who are taking loan from that, who are taking credit from that. So to save those persons, to save those weaker sections, we have introduced the financial inclusion service. And also the purpose is to provide all the financial product and services at an affordable cost to each and every person of the country, majorly to the weaker section, because they are not linked to the particular financial services or product, or they are the part of the disadvantaged society of our country. Okay, now let me know for the financial inclusion purpose, RBI has introduced the zero balance account. Okay, RBI has introduced zero balance account for the purpose of your financial inclusion. Now name that particular account. What was the name of that account in which RBI first introduced the zero balance account? What is the name of that particular account? A, B, C or D, or not, sorry, there is no option, but you can give the answer. What was the name of that particular account? If you don't remember the name, you can just write down in the comment section. BSBDA was introduced later. It is correct that basic saving bank deposit account is the name. It is also correct the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana accounts are there, which are also zero balance account. But I'm asking, initially it was introduced. Initially it was not known as BSBDA or Jan Dhan Yojana account. It was converted into BSBDA in the year 2012, and Jan Dhan Yojana, you know, it was introduced in the year 2014. So what will be the right answer? No, the right answer is no frills account. which was introduced in 2005. So first of all, for the first time, RBI has introduced no frills account in 2005 year. Those were zero balance account, and these accounts were introduced for the financial inclusion purpose. So the right name is no frills account. Then the name of the no frills account changed into BSBD account, and still we were not able to, by introducing BSBD account, we were not able to link more and more persons with the financial product and services. That's why government came here and introduced the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Okay, now let me know, out of 5 questions, how many questions answer you have given correct? How many questions answer you have given correct? Okay, now this information for all of you that English medium batch started from yesterday, not from yesterday, from 26th of July the English medium batch started, and this is the comprehensive batch in which all the 3 subjects will be covered. And PPB class started from yesterday only, in which we have discussed the introduction of the syllabus, and the timing of your PPB class will be 7 to 8 am. After this YT session we are going to meet in the paid class. So this is the batch which already started, in which you will get 140 plus hours live classes, 60 plus ebooks will be there, topic wise test will be there. As I have told you yesterday, topic wise test and module wise test are very important, okay, because they let you know what level of questions will be asked from a particular topic. Now recorded videos will be available here, and if you want a proper full length test, you want to give the mock test, and that I suggest you should start doing that. So there will be a JAIIB prime test pack also available, 50 plus test pack will be there. Okay, now how to enroll in any of these batch, how to enroll in any of these particular product, what you have to do, you have to go to the Adda 24/7 official website, or you can go to the application also. So this is the Adda store, or you can say the website. So here you have to go in the JAIIB CAIIB section, which you will find here. Click on that particular section, and you will find all the batches, all the products related to your exams. Now if you want bilingual batch, you can go for the bilingual. If you want English medium batch, here it is. Just click on the batch, you will find all the quick links from where you can join the batch. So individual subjects batch is also available, because sometimes it's possible that you have qualified 1 or 2 subjects in the May attempt, and now you are only giving 1 exam or 2 exams. So for that, individual batch classes is also available. If you want comprehensive batch, just click on that particular batch, and all the details will be here. You will find the study plan here, that what topics we are covering which day, everything will be given here. You can download it from here, and to enroll in the batch, you have to click here on view offer and use a code that is Y496, okay, and apply this particular code. After applying this code, you will get here 77% discount, and if you purchase the same batch from Adda 24/7 application, you will get 1% additional discount. Okay, there is some internet issue, it is still showing applying coupon. So if you use this particular code, you will get 78% discount from Adda 24/7 application. And as I have already told you that the English medium paid classes started from 26th of July, and this is the right time to start. Why this is the right time to start? Because we know in November attempt we have an option to qualify the exam by reading all those subjects and all those known content we have already learned, or we have already studied. Because from May 2023 your syllabus is going to be changed. There will be 4 subjects and the syllabus will be different. So it is better that in the November attempt we qualify this particular exam, so that we do not have to start from the scratch for the 2023 exam. Okay, so this is how you can enroll in this particular batch. And if you want test pack, you can use a code that will be 1 second. If you want a test pack, what you can do, you can go with the code that is Y496. Okay, let's say for example you want to purchase the test pack, then you have to use a code Y496S. Okay, this is the code. So that's all for today. Thank you all for joining the session. And if you're still new to the Officers Adda 24/7 channel, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Because all subjects MCQ series are already running on the Officers Adda 24/7 channel. So do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And also, if you like the session, do share the session with your colleagues who are preparing for the same exam. Okay. So thank you all for joining the session, and stay safe.